Howdy folks. So I made a discovery I wanted to share with you because I think it's sort of a miracle. I used to be a swimmer. I swam all the way through college, and maybe some of you have seen or heard of those swimmer slash diver towels. The towels especially that the divers in the Olympics use when they are, getting out of the pool, have to dry off, dive back in, get back in, dry off, and all that, back and forth with that special magical towel that they use. It occurred to me that it might be amazing on clay. So let me show you this. Okay, here is the container. It's called an aqua towel. I bought this brand Sporty, but there's lots of different brands of it. It comes in a container like this, and it says right on it, it's ultra absorbent for all water sports. And you're supposed to store it damp in this container. So you're not supposed to let it dry out. Here's what the actual towel looks like. I'm gonna deliberately pour some water out on this table, like pretend I spill. And then that towel that I just wrung out, but is, so it's not dripping anymore, but it still has the ability to soak up and absorb so much more. It's just incredibly absorbent. The clay rinses out of it super easy, and then you just roll it back up, clean it off, roll it back up, put it back in the container, and it's ready to go for the next day because it's supposed to stay damp. All right, okay, go for it. Wiping.
Not real.
Wiping. Bye, have a good day. Wiping away the clay with this magic towel. And then I'm going to keep the camera on there because you'll see that
it's dry now.
It dries without any clay streaks or anything. No sponging necessary.
Amazing.
No paper towels necessary, nothing. Shiny and clean. I think. I think. Is that a clay streak forming? I don't think. All right, and then Emma's going to do it too. That dusty, dirty table.
And we'll have to get this section too.
Yeah. Just wipe that sucker.
Magical. Magic.
Yep, and then over there is super dusty right there.
The clay just like disappears.
Yeah. That towel is the coolest thing, I swear.
I've spent so much time doing that.
Yes.
Look at my face. No.
Awesome. Erin, I love your laugh. Thank you. Yeah. Cool. I mean, mostly clean. That is amazing, Erin. That's your table right there.
So weird.
Shiny and clean. Way cleaner than doing like a wet sponge on paper towels has ever done.
And even better than the microfiber was doing.
Yeah, and that's just one step, that towel.
Why is it so good?
Yeah, here it is. Dry and no clay streaks. Like anything that you see on the table right now is just, because the tables are old and they actually have like paint stains on them and stuff. But there's no clay on that table. That's amazing.
Well, there's a bit over here because I missed this.
Ah, okay, there we go.
Now there's
Now you got it. But like the rest is just dings and paint. That's amazing.